Hi students of class 2. Today we are going to continue chapter 1. Everyone get ready with the book, page number 9. Today we are going to do page number 9 and 10. So everyone, please open the book, get ready with the book and a pencil. Let us start the class. Why is a computer useful? Today we are going to learn that how the computer is useful and how it is different from us. So let's start. Computer never forget. It can store a lot of data. Now, human, I forget things stored in my mind sometimes. That means sometimes we can forget some of the things. But the computer never forget anything. It can store a lot of data in its memory. I never get tired. Computer never get tired. But I need rest after working for some time. So we need to take rest after working for some time. But the computer never get tired. Computer never make mistake. Computer never make mistake, but we can make mistake when we are tired. So I can make mistake when I am tired. Computer can work very fast and can do many things at the same time. So the computer work very fast and it can do many things at the same time. I need time to finish my work. So we need more time than the computer to finish the work. I cannot take decision. The computer can never take a decision. He can't take a decision. It can't take a decision. But I can take decisions on my own. I can take decisions on my own. Computers need instructions to work. I can work without instructions for some time. I can work without instructions for some time. I have no feelings. Computer have no feelings. But I have feelings. We always have some feelings. So this is how the computer is useful to us and how it is different from us. Turn the page, please. What are the advantages of using a computer? Now we will learn how the computer is useful to us. What are the things we can do using the computer? How is it useful? For making presentation, for doing calculation, for teaching in schools and colleges, for designing different things. So, for doing presentation, for doing any sort of presentation, we use computer. For doing any sort of calculation, we can use computer. For teaching in schools and colleges, we can use computer. And for designing many things, we can use computer. These are the advantages of using a computer. What are the disadvantages of using a computer? Although there are many advantages of using a computer, as we have seen over here, there are some disadvantages too. What are the disadvantages? Old and discarded computers are harmful for the environment. Old and discarded computers are harmful for the environment. Working on computers for a long time causes health problem. Working on computers for a long time causes health problem. Computers are attacked by virus and this may cause loss of data. Computers are attacked by virus and this may lose our important data. Many people misuse the computer to harm other people. Many people misuse the computer to harm other people. So these are the disadvantages of using the computer, but there are many advantages too of using the computer. Now today we are going to end the class over here. The CW work is page number 9 and 10 explanation we have done. Homework is to read these two pages, page 9 and 10, line by line. And the important portions that I have explained, please go through those things 2 or 3 times. We end the class over here. Everyone, please study at home and have a nice day. Bye bye.